Hello friends, this is Tanishk and welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk. I hope you are all doing well and practicing your English listening and speaking skills. I am also practicing it along with you. So in today's video, we are going to learn some very useful English idioms that you can use in your daily life. Idioms make your English sound more natural and expressive. I have used some Hindi sentences for better understanding of yourself. So stay with me till the end to learn them all. So let's get started. So the first idiom is don't push the panic button. The This means that don't get nervous or overreact in some circumstances or any conditions. For example, don't push the panic button. Everything is under control. So, when something goes very wrong, instead of panicking, stay calm and handle it. That's when this idiom fits very perfect. So, the second idiom is come to the point. It means that talk it means to talk directly about the main topic, not just beat around the bushes. So for example, please come to the point, we don't have much time. So you can use this idiom when somebody is talking too much but not giving the main information of the topic or the point they want to talk about. So the third is also same. uh, it have a same meaning of the previous one. The third is don't beat about the bushes. It also means that not to talk about the main point and avoid it, and speaking something else to avoid the main point in a condition and speak clearly. See, many people use this idiom when somebody is not talking about a point, when like somebody wants to hide the thing, somebody is plotting a secretly that they want to talk about, that they don't want to talk about something. So, for example, stop beating about the bush and tell me the truth. See, in this example, a person is avoiding avoiding to tell the truth because it may harm him or mentally harm him. So he's avoiding to tell the truth and speaking around the bushes, or speaking around the main point and avoiding it. This idiom is great for when someone keeps talking in circles instead of saying just what's really important. So the fourth one is not to speak in riddles. Yes, it uh, it means not to talk in a confusing way. Not to talk in a confusing way. For example, I can't understand you. Don't speak in riddles. Sometimes people talk in a way that's hard to understand. That's when you can use this idiom. So the fifth one is not to make lame excuses, or don't make lame excuses. It means don't give a weak or false reason. For example, he made a lame excuse for being late. When someone keeps getting silly reasons or keep giving silly reasons for not doing something, the idiom is perfect to point it out. So now the sixth one is sticking to your guns. It means to continue to hold your opinion even when others disagree. For example, she stuck to her guns even when everyone opposed her ideas. This idiom is about confidence, believing in yourself, and standing by your thoughts no matter what. So now the seventh idiom is don't spill the beans. It means not to reveal a secret. For example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party. It's a fun idiom when you are keeping something a secret and someone almost says aloud. You can warn them with this phrase. So now the eighth phrase or the eighth idiom is burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night. For example, he burned the midnight oil to finish the project. See, if you are a student, you have probably done this many times, studying or working late at night to meet the deadlines, or for practicing or learning the next day upcoming exams. For you might have studied late night or have been working late nights. So that's the point where you can use this idiom. The ninth idiom is hollow promises. Hollow promises meaning promises that are not kept. For example, the politician made hollow promises before the elections. This idiom describes when someone make big promises but never fulfills them. Something we hear often in real life. So the tenth and the last one is a tall chain, meaning an exaggerated or unrealistic statement. For example, saying he can run 50 kilometers without rest is a tall claim. You can use this idiom when someone says something that sound impossible or too good to be true. Means it is clearly a false statement or somebody is just yapping. So now so there were 10 amazing English idioms you have studied today. They are short, smart, and perfect for everyday conversation. If you use idioms while speaking, your English will sound more confident and natural. So, when you learn idioms, you are not just learning phrases, you are learning how native speakers actually talk in daily life. Try using one or two idioms in your next English conversation or writing any text. Remember, real improvements come from the practice and usage, not just memorizing. So that's for today's video. I hope you liked today's lesson on English idioms and learned something new. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk and share my videos with your friends, family members and colleagues. And keep practicing because practice makes you perfect. Now it's time for today's new English word. The word is expression. It means a phrase or a word used to communicate an idea or feeling. For example, don't spill the beans is a common English expression used to mean don't reveal a secret. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.